What's going on, everyone? I got a 2019 Toyota Highlander here. It came into the shop because the backup screen was not working anymore. You would put the car into reverse and the screen would stay just like this, okay? We were able to fix this, and the way we were able to fix this was real quick. All we did was disconnect the battery and connect it right back up. We left it disconnected for 5 minutes and connected it, okay? And I'll give you the reason why it stopped working after questioning the customer on if they had any work done to the car, because going through this car, I could not figure out for the life of me what was going on with it, okay? As far as looking at fuses, testing wires, they even replaced the backup camera and it still wouldn't work, okay? Everything in the car should have worked from all the testing. Got a scanner out, hooked it up, and it was actually giving me a code for B15D8, and there's a description that talks about navigation disconnect. Okay, we need to get rid of that code to get the screen operational again. What happens with this car was it had an Apple Play, an aftermarket Apple Play installed in it, and when they went to uninstall it, the screen decided it wasn't going to work anymore. What can happen sometimes when you're playing around with the data wires back behind the radio and aftermarket modules that interface into them, it confuses the car, sets a code, like it set this code here. As soon as it does that, in the communication of everything, the backup camera shuts down and will not work until you erase the code. Okay, and you can do that by disconnecting the battery for 5 minutes or using a real high-end scanner to delete the code, okay? So give that a try before you buy a backup camera. This should work in a Tundra, this should work in a Sienna, Highlander, RAV4, 4Runner. Give it a shot and see if it works, and if it does, I'd appreciate if you'd hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.